Hello there, dear video watcher. This is our team which is behind this video as well as a project which we'll be seeing further ahead in this video. We have Ayush Solal on the rightmost, who is our product owner. On his left, we have Ankit Rajvanshi, who is the Scrum Master. And on his left, we have the three developers, namely Abhishek Sharma, Nishank Bhati, and Anmol Ratnam from right to left. Now, coming to the project, we have developed an online banking system which has been developed in Python using Flask framework. We have used HTML, CSS with a bit of jQuery as the front end, and we have used MongoDB NoSQL as the database as has been recommended. It is an all-encompassing banking solution, online banking solution that has options for the admin as well as the bank employees as well as the end users, that is customers of the bank. So to demonstrate to you the project, we have several credentials over there. For admin, we have 108 and blue. So we'll use 108 blue. Okay, now logging in. Yeah. So we see over here the landing page of the administrator. The name of the admin is displayed over here along with his designation. He has several options over here to add employees, view details, view withdrawal, deposit and fixed deposit reports, as well as the feedbacks of the customers. In add employee, he can add any bank employee. The details of the bank employee will be filled over here with the username and password entered over here. So we are a bit short on on time creating this video, so we'll just proceed with the already created users. In the view details section, he can view details of himself as has been entered in the banking application. It's his name, gender, age, contact address, and ID. In withdrawal report, he can see all the bank account holders who have made any kind of withdrawal over the over the whole period of the banking application. In view deposit report, we see all the cash deposits that have been made. It's for every user that is in there that has deposited any kind of any cash in the bank in the account. In fixed deposit summary, we can similarly see reports for the fixed deposits that have been opened by the customers. And in customer feedbacks, we see any kind of feedback that has been given by the customer. Say someone whatever experience they had at the bank, they will enter it over here, and the admin can view it. Obviously, it's not shown to the employees just in case there's some bad feedback regarding some employee or something. Okay. Now coming to the employees, let me just sign out. Okay. The credentials for employee are 2013 and monkey. So let me just enter it. 2013. Okay. Signing in. Yeah. So the bank employee's name is Rachit Gupta, and he has the option to create a bank account. As we have seen in banks, the bank employees create accounts for the customers. So whenever a customer comes to him with his form, he will enter all the relevant details like username, name, age, and all the details that has been asked, that has been given by the customer. He will also enter the initial amount, bank opening. He will also enter the initial amount of the account when it's been opened, and when the documents have been verified, he'll just tick this and submit the relevant details so the account is created. In case all the in case the data is validated, and that is the name string has letters only or the age has numbers only, the bank account will be created or else an error will be shown. In view details section, we have the details of the employee who has currently signed in. Here we see the details of the bank employee. As we have seen in banks, the withdrawal and deposit is done by the bank employees. So whenever a customer comes with a form regarding withdrawal or deposit, he'll search for the bank account number. Say if we enter a random number which is not in the bank, it will say that the account number is not found and an error will be shown regarding that. When we enter bank account number that is there, say this one has been entered in the database, so we search for it and try to withdraw say 500 format. When we withdraw, we see that cash withdrawal successfully. So it means that the transaction has been made successfully and the current balance of the account will also be shown. Say if we enter an amount greater than the current balance, which is 4,65,866, we enter the account number. We enter an amount that is greater than it, say 9999, that is 99 lakhs. No, 9 like 99,000, but it's greater than that. So we see that the account balance is insufficient and the current balance will be shown so as to show what the current balance is and how much you have exceeded by. Now in deposit section, we'll again enter the account number. I'll skip over the account not found error. And when we search for it, we see that okay, the name of the account holder is this and the account number is this. And if you deposit an amount, say 10,000, we deposit it and see the current balance has been updated to 4,25,866. Okay, that's it for the employee section. Now I'll sign out and show to you the end user part. For the end user, we'll be using the credentials demo, that is demo. Okay, here we can see the details of the customer as has been shown to you previously in the admin section as well as the bank employee section. He can transfer funds. Here he will enter the bank account number and the amount to be transferred. Say he transfers 1,000 rupees. He can also open a fixed deposit, entering the amount which should be greater than 10,000 and a period which should be greater than 2 years. If we enter an amount that's less than 10,000, that is 5,000, or a period of less than 2 years, say. So value must be greater than or equal to 10,000. We enter the value, and the period must be greater than or equal to 2. So we enter a period of 2 years. We apply for it and the fixed deposit couldn't be opened because the current balance is 12,424. Let me try again with a small amount that is 10,000 and a period of 2 years. Okay, so fixed deposit has been opened successfully. The maturity amount will be this as per the total interest generated by the fixed deposit, and the maturity date will be shown to the end user. Here we can give feedback regarding the bank, the online bank system, or the employees, or anyone who is anyone with whom the customer is concerned. Say I enter feedback over here that this is a good banking system. I rate it as 9 out of 10. I submit it and feedback is submitted successfully and can be shown when the can be seen by the admin when he opens his account. Here we have the account summary. We see that we just made a fixed deposit of 10,000 over here at Friday, November 24. The time, there are some issues with the time. And we have the transfer details over here, the transfer details of whatever transfer has been made within the bank, for example, from another customer to another customer. We have the deposit details as per the cash deposited by the customer into his bank account, and the withdrawal details, the same withdrawals for his account. Now signing out, and that was our project for the HWE. Now coming to the last part, here are the contact details of the developers behind the software engineering project. I would like to take this video as an opportunity to thank Dr. Nasi Buluju, our faculty member. I'd like to thank Dr. Nasi Buluju, our faculty mentor for this project. We had a great experience developing this project, and I hope that this experience that we have had will be of use to us throughout our career. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.